Welcome back. In the previous chapter of the session number 1, I was explaining what makes a good communication campaign, particularly communication campaign in 21st century. So we are looking at the importance of planning, of a good problem definition, of identifying your objectives, identifying your strategy, your audiences and action. And in this chapter I would like to go a little bit deeper into the problem of good problem definition. Usually the issue is that your organization or yourself, you understand that there is some problem that you want to solve, but it doesn't mean that also the other people, the public, knows about it and the public feels the same way. So in such case, you need to make it more understandable for people to see, look, there's a problem and we should do something about it. Very good way how to demonstrate a problem is simply using data, facts, statistics, right? That's something that can describe the problem in an easy to understand way. So try to find some. Maybe if you are dealing with the drug issues in the city, try to find some statistics and try to use them to demonstrate, look, we have some issue in the city and we should do something about it. If there are no statistics and no data, you might try to collect the data yourself. You can do some simple survey. You can ask people on the street, but you can also make an online survey. There are, for example, Google Forms, which is a very simple, free, easy to use tool where you can create your survey online, distribute it easily, collect the information from the people and use it as a demonstration of some issue, of some problem. But if you don't have time to do this, well, at least try to get some testimonies or stories of people. Take a camera, go to the streets, ask people what they think about the issue. This helps because then it's not you, the organization, telling people that there is a problem in your city, but it's the people like themselves. So these testimonies, and especially in the video format, can be a simple and easy way how to explain some issue. Below this video, you will find also some examples of data visualizations. People usually don't like to look at the spreadsheets and numbers, right? It's not something that is easy to understand. That's why there's something called the data visualization. You can turn the numbers into infographics. You can turn it into maps, into visually appealing maps or platforms. So we will show you some examples of how other organizations are using these tools. And the last methodology that you can use, it's called crowdsourcing. What crowdsourcing means, you will find a definition below, but let's just try to explain it in our own words. Crowd, it's a large amount of people, sourcing as a resource. You can use people to be a resource of information. There is something called crowdfunding. You can ask a large number of people to help you to collect some funds, but you can also crowdsource the work. You can ask many people to help you to solve some problem, to help you with some small tasks. So crowdsourcing, another methodology which is particularly interesting and handy in the age of social media, where more and more people are connected and you can engage them in your own activities. So please check the links below this video. You will see some examples how others are using this methodology, how they are visualizing the data, how they use crowdsourcing, and I'm sure you will find some inspiration for your own campaign or project.